Your iPhone contains everything that matters: photos, messages, contacts, app data, settings, passwords, and more. The only way to keep all of that data safe is to make a backup. The usual backup options come with important limitations. iCloud's free tier includes just 5 gigabytes, which is rarely enough for a full device backup, so most people need to pay for a higher storage plan. iTunes on Windows and Finder on macOS back up only to the default location on your computer's main hard drive, and they only keep the most recent backup, so there is no built-in history to go back to. With iMazing, you can back up your device to your own local storage, your computer's main hard drive, an external drive, or any network storage, and your data remains securely encrypted. iMazing also creates a snapshot of every backup you make, so you always have a history to go back to, just like a time machine for your iPhone. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to back up your device with iMazing in just a few clicks. First, launch iMazing on your Mac or PC. If you haven't installed already, download iMazing from iMazing.com. Next, connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. If this is the first time you're connecting the device, unlock it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm pairing. Once paired, iMazing will remember the device for future sessions. In iMazing's main window, click Devices in the left sidebar. You'll see all devices that have previously been paired to your computer. Select the device you want to work with. From the Device Overview screen, you'll see a selection of available quick actions. Click on Backup. Carefully review backup options. Backup encryption. Backup encryption is an Apple security feature that protects your data. By default, iOS or iPadOS doesn't encrypt backups. To enable encrypted backups, turn on Backup Encryption option and define an encryption password. Once enabled, all future backups of your device will be encrypted, regardless of which backup software you use. Backup location. Select the folder or disk where you want iMazing to store backups for your device. You can choose a different backup location for each device. You can click Backup Location Preferences to add another location such as an external hard drive or NAS. Backup Snapshots. This panel allows you to customize iMazing's unique Snapshots feature and for how long snapshots are preserved. For the best backup management experience, we recommend using the default settings. iMazing constantly optimizes snapshots to preserve storage space. Automatic Backup Scheduling. Enabling automatic backups turns on iMazing Mini, which runs scheduled backups in the background. We recommend daily backups. When it's time, iMazing Mini will prompt you to unlock your device and enter your passcode to authorize the backup. To confirm your options and trigger your initial backup, click the Backup button. When prompted, enter your device passcode to start this backup. iMazing is now performing the backup. This process may take a little while to complete. The first backup completed successfully. You can access and change backup options for this device anytime by clicking on Settings in the left sidebar. The Snapshot list lets you switch between your device's current state and any saved snapshot. To access the list, click on Now right next to your device's name in the upper toolbar. Just like a time machine, you can jump into any snapshot and browse its contents directly, whether the device is connected or not. Click on a snapshot, and everything inside it becomes accessible. Photos, messages, whatever you're looking for. Here, for instance, we're browsing photos from the snapshot we just created. And throughout all of this, your privacy is never compromised. Your device's data remains always encrypted. Your data stays on your computer, external drive, or NAS, not in the cloud. Keep full backups and history without paying for extra iCloud storage. Learn more about iMazing and what it can do for you at iMazing.com. Thanks for watching.